position in this field. We strive to make these learning opportunities accessible and affordable. Our programs of study are designed to teach the knowledge to help you get started. Students are exposed to practical applications of basic electronics and computer principles. Education within your financial reach. Make a choice that can make a difference. Scholarships and financial aid are available for students who qualify. Call 800-192 or visit us on the web. ITT Technical Institute. Education for the future.